Hi, I'm Kent Price, Regional Account Manager and Forage Seed Specialist in Southern Alberta with Brett Young Seeds. Preparing for planting a new forage seed stand should start the year before seeding to ensure future success. Herbicides being used on the intended future forage stand should be monitored for potential future residue issues. Perennial weeds such as Canada thistle, dandelions, foxtail barley, and quackgrass are all best controlled the year prior to planting. You should also take an inventory of current forage species, weeds, and brush that are present to decide if maintenance, stand renovation, or a new establishment is going to be the best course of action. Make sure to select forage species according to your soil type, annual rainfall, and any geographical anomalies and production goals. Growers need to consider what species attributes are most important to them, whether that is winter hardiness, salinity tolerance, regrowth, etc. Overseeding an annual cereal species or ryegrass can be useful in suppressing weeds, reducing erosion, and providing protection for young establishing forage seedlings. Remember that these companion crops compete with new forage seedlings, so reducing seeding rates, harvesting early as silage or green feed, and never planting the forage seed in the same furrow as the companion crop are very important tips to improve your likelihood of success. Developing a pre-seed fertilizer plan and in-crop weed control plan before planting are key to enhancing the speed of germination and establishment. Find out more about how to plan your new forage stand by contacting your Brett Young Regional Account Manager.